Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So it's super early in the morning. It's like just after 3. We've just gotten up, as you can hear the wife. Yeah, I've got a surprise adventure planned for her this morning. Something I've been planning for a while now. So hopefully it all works out this morning. So this will be like the 6th time that I've tried to plan this. But yeah, so come along with us. I won't spoil what I'm going to do, so you guys can be surprised as well. And yeah, adventure never sleeps. So here we are, we're at the destination. Have any idea what's going on?
No.
Nope. It's very early. We'll reveal everything soon. There's a plane. There's an aircraft. Yeah. Klem til de nok tog ud af en boks at Mary and I will back on the ground.
Thank you. Yeah.
Alright guys, so that's us done and dusted. We've landed. Couldn't film the landing because we were crouched down. But yeah, we're just packing up now and then we're going to hop on the bus and head back to where we all met up. Alright guys, so that's us done and dusted for the morning. We just had our complimentary breakfast. Just popped back in the car, we're about to head home. So the company that I booked the flight through is Balloon Aloft. We did the Camden Valley flight. It was absolutely beautiful. Very smooth sailing from start to finish. Great hosts. Everyone was very accommodating and friendly, very knowledgeable. Never felt unsafe when we were up in the air at all. Yeah, it was very smooth sailing, great views. Highly recommend it. I loved it. Did you love it?
I loved it.
Yeah, so yeah, we obviously both loved it. And the good thing about it is with the Camden one, you get a free breakfast afterwards, which is nice, and then you get to look over all the photos that they take and things like that. You can purchase the photos if you want to as well. So yeah, it's a really good little package. I highly recommend doing it if you've been thinking about it. Obviously, if you're afraid of heights, probably not the thing for you, but yeah, if you've been toing and throwing whether you should go do it, just go do it, because yeah, it's a once in a lifetime experience. It's great. So yeah, that's all from us today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.